Tremolite, which is a member of Amphibole group. Let's start with observation under plane polarized light or PPL. The form of tremolite appears subhedral. The color is generally colorless under PPL. It shows high relief, which means the grain stands out clearly from the surrounding medium. You will notice two directional amphibole cleavage planes, which is a key identifier of amphibole, and it shows no pleochroism. Now shifting to crossed polars or XPL. The maximum interference color you will observe is a second order red, a common feature in amphiboles. It also shows inclined extinction, where the mineral goes dark at an angle rather than straight up and down. With its subhedral form, high relief, distinct amphibole cleavage, second order interference colors, and inclined extinction, tremolite is an amphibole and easy to identify under the microscope. Keep exploring the mineral world with Earth Detective. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more optical mineralogy insights. That's all for today. See you in our next video.